And the third subdivision is you have x1 greater than or equal to -5, x2 greater than or equal to -1, then x3 greater than or equal to 1, and x4 greater than or equal to 2. So let us take y1 equal to x1 plus 5, then y2 equal to x2 plus 1, y3 equal to x3 minus 1, and y4 is equal to x4 minus 2. So we have yi greater than or equal to 0 for I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 30. So rewriting in terms of y1, y2, y3, അപ്പോൾ y1 വരുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 30 രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും 5 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. y2 വരുമ്പോൾ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് x2 plus 1, you have to add 1, then y3 x3 minus 1 എടുക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് വരുന്നത് y4, so minus 2. So that will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 equal to, so you have 33. So therefore the number of integer solutions will be, so it will be equal to n plus r minus 1 cr, so that is 4 plus 33 minus 1 c33, so that is 36 c33, so that is 36 c3. So that is the required number of integer solutions.